Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today is on Leetcode Daily Challenge, problem number 881, boats to save people. So the problem statement says you are given an array people where people of I is the weight of ith person and an infinite number of boats where each boat can carry a maximum weight of limits. Okay. Each boat carries at most two people at the same time. Okay. Provided the sum of the weight of those people is at most limit. So we have to find out the minimum number of boats to carry every given person. Okay. So there are a couple of hints over here, which says and which indicates which algorithm can be used. For example, two people at the same time. Okay. This is the statement. Also, we have infinite number of boats, right? And maximum weight. So basically, we have to sum weights of two people at a time to figure out if they can fit in the same boat or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a two-pointer approach in which my left pointer will point to the first element. So first we'll sort this array, okay, people's array, and we'll use two pointers then. Left pointer will point to the first element and the right will point to the last element. Okay. Then what you have to do is you have to just basically sum those values up and check if they both can fit into the same boat or not. If not, then obviously the person which was more heavier will definitely require a new boat, right? So this is the complete solution. So what we'll do is, for example, let's take this one. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3. We will sort this first. So we'll have our low pointer at 1 and maximum at like right pointer at 3 after sorting, I mean. And we have to check for 3, right? So 1 and 3. No, it does not, they cannot, come to the same port. So we will move our right pointer to -1. Okay. Now we have 2 and 1. Yes, they can go to the same port. So we club them together and so on. Okay, so this will be the approach. Let's move to the solution. This is going to be a very really simple solution to code. So we'll sort the people array first. Okay, once done, we want to initialize our two pointer left. Sorry, yeah, left and right. Once done, I do need another variable for storing the number of ports we will require. Next is writing a while loop. Okay. While left is less than or equal to right, I want to check this condition where I'm checking if person sitting at index left plus person sitting at index right combinedly weighs less than or equal to limit. If yes, then I'll increment my left pointer. I said lower left pointer by 1. And we anyways have to decrement our high pointer anyways, right? And we will add 1 into the boats as well. At the end, I'll just simply return boats. So this was it. This was the complete solution. Let's run the test cases. Hi, hi, hi. It should have been right. Sorry. Done. So the test cases got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation. The solution was accepted, and let's say we performed decent. I think last time when I submitted the solution, I was getting somewhere around 96.91 with the same approach. So yeah. Thanks so guys for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the finals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.